Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to place a trade on MT5. So there are three ways of entering a trade on MT5. You can either do market execution where you buy or sell at the current price, or you can do stops, buy stop or sell stops, or you can do limits, buy limit or sell limit. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to do market execution, set a stop loss, and set a take profit. So to do that, you can do it in two ways. The first one, you click on the currency pair you want to trade, and you go to a new order. Here it shows you the current price. If I want to buy, I'll set my lot size here. I'll put my stop loss. The stop loss has to be lower than the current price. Maybe this is where I'm going to see my trades. When I zoom out, I put the 15-minute time frame. This is my stop loss, and this is my TP, take profit. I can adjust the stop loss by moving the line up and down. I can adjust the TP by moving the line up and down. If I want to accept the changes, I'll do the arrow and do modify. If I go back to trade, this is where I see my running trade. If I want to adjust the TP or the stop loss, I can swipe and do the edit button. I can change the stop loss, put 500 and do modify. So we go back. Now you can see that I've changed my stop loss. If I want to close the trade, I'll go back to trade. I'll do swipe to the left and I'll do click, and I can close my trade. So the second way on how you can do market execution, you click this button and I can just place buy. So now I have a running trade, but it doesn't have a stop loss or a take profit. If I want to place a stop loss, I can just click the buy line, click SL, which is stop loss, adjust it to the price level that I want, and accept the changes. Now I have a stop loss. So thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.